welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Alrighty guys, so today I'm just gonna work a half a day. It is the day after Christmas. Speaking of Christmas, the new year is right around the corner, and I want to take the time out to say that I am so grateful for 2022. We had some ups and downs, but we are stronger and better than before. Like I said in the last video, my son broke his collarbone, guys. We had the storms, we had the hurricane, we had a lot going on in Florida, but everything is still all good. God still has blessed us all. Now we're moving on closely, really close to 2023. I'm super excited about 2023. Speaking of 2023, guys, did you get your Medicare and U-Book for 2023? Did you know you can actually order your own copy? I got my own copy. Let me show you guys. Yes, I have my own copy of the Medicare and U-Book for 2023. You can download your own copy, and I will leave the information in the description of my video. You can also call Medicare as well to get your own copy as well. So anyways, let's move on with today's video. It's going to be a very busy day. Alrighty guys, so like I said, today is a half a day. So the first thing I'm going to do today, I'm going to just look at my purple folder. This is my follow-up folder, and just to see if I need to follow up with anyone today, or if there's anything I need to do to move the process along. Okay, so I'm going to do that first thing. And then I have a few people that is waiting for me to do their Obamacare applications. And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to do a half a day today and then go home and probably just have some pizza with my kids and just enjoy the rest of the afternoon. I could have stayed home, but I prefer to come in to the office. I'm more productive. Things get done. And I'm not just, just home, not really working. I like to come into the office. So yeah, I did my hair. My hair is all curly and stuff. So anyways, I'm going to take the opportunity to take a few pictures for Google My Business as well. I think it's very important to always keep up with Google My Business, updating your profile, taking pictures of inside of your office, outside the office, the individuals that work at the office, okay? And yeah, it lets Google know that you are an active business when you are active on the Google. Good morning, can I speak to Miss Oliver? Hi, good morning, how are you? Yes, I did, and you?
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't. And I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight.
Alrighty guys, so I am at the end of the day. Like I said, I'm just doing a half a day today, but I wanted to just end the video give you guys 5 tips to help you with your business, okay? So tip number 1, I think is very important to be confident in yourself, confident in the product that you're selling. I think it's very important because when people are seeking out for your services, they're looking to see and they can sense if you are confident or not. So So you want to be confident in the product that you're selling. You want to look good. You want to smell good. You want to present yourself in a manner where you have so much confidence, there's glow about you, and you look well put together and you know what you're talking about, okay? Confidence is important in anything that you do, and it's definitely important in this business. So have confidence, okay? So that's number one, confidence. And number two is study your products. I think it's very important to know the products that you are selling. You don't have to know everything on day one, okay? No one knows everything on day one. You have experience, and you know, the more people you see, the more you'll know. But it's very important that you do have an idea of what you are selling. You need to know the difference between a Medicare Advantage plan and a Medicare supplement, okay? You need to know the difference between the products in your area as well. If someone says, oh, I need dentures, you should already have an idea in the back of your head what products offer dentures, okay? Things like that. And you learn these things by doing research. It's very important to look at the summary of benefits and not always looking for your upline to give you the answers. You should be calling the carrier. You should be reading your Medicare and U book. Like I said, reading the summary of benefits. You may have questions. You may have to look into the evidence of coverage. Go out there and read. All the information that you need to know is out there. It's on the internet. It's in the Medicare and U book. It's in AHIP. It's in the summary of benefits. It is online. You could call the carrier. The information is right there at your fingertips. Number three should be really simple, but it's not that simple for everyone. So I'm going to say it. Be honest, okay? Be honest with your clients. Be honest with yourself. Be honest with your business. Be honest. That should be the number one rule. You need to be honest, okay? If you're sitting with a client and they're already on the plan that's best for them, be honest. Tell them that, okay? They will appreciate that, and they will pass on business to you because they know that you are honest. If you come into a situation where the person is already in the best spots and you can become agent of record, do that. Do not switch their plan if it's not necessary. Do not go out there and intentionally hurt a senior. Don't do that. Be honest. If they're already on the best plan, let them be, okay? And like I said, if you can become agent of record, go that route, okay? All right, so like I said, always be honest. Number four can be a little hard, okay? And that is, do not, I'm gonna say it one more time, do not compare your business with another business, another agent, another agency. You want to look at your business and compare it with how you're doing, okay? You want to compare yourself to yourself. You want to compare your business to your business, not to Johnny's business, not to agency ABC. You want to look at your goals and see what you need to improve on, okay? Look at what you did last year and see what you want to do different this year. Come up with goals, have, goals and things like that, but don't compare yourself to other businesses. You just never know. Everything that glitters isn't gold, okay? People are not always going to give you their right numbers, their correct numbers, okay? Some people exaggerate just a little bit, so you may be trying to compete with something that is not realistic, okay? Look at your numbers, your goals, and do what you need to do to make it better. And you know what you need to do to make your goals happen, okay? Whether it's purchasing leads, whether it's going out there and going into the community and reaching out to your community to generate leads, okay? Whether it's building relationships out there, you know what you need to do. You know what you're not doing. So don't compare yourself to someone else. You don't know how hard someone else has worked to get to where they are, okay? So just look at what's going on within your business and make it better, okay? So that is number four. Do not compare yourself with others. compare yourself within yourself. And that way you can grow, you have something that you can measure and become better. Alrighty guys, number 5, and this is the last tip, and that is provide great customer service before and after the sale, okay? So what does that mean? We do whatever we need to do to get that sale, right? We do whatever we need to do to get that sale. We also need to maintain it after we get the sale. We need to maintain the relationships we have with our clients. We need to answer them when they call, okay? If someone is a client and say they're calling you a bit too much, say they call you every week, say they call you a couple times a day and it's just too much and it's not worth it, then have a conversation with them. Maybe they may be a little needy. Some seniors can be a little needy. Maybe they're lonely or whatever the case may be. If you need to have a conversation with that senior, have that conversation with them, okay? But you want to maintain great customer service before the sale and after the sale. And that will help you generate referrals and keep your customers happy and all of that good stuff. So anyways, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you, yes you, on the next video. Bye.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be